Yes, good morning and to every one of us. Yeah, it's been a long time. I've shared some USDT platform, but today I'm going to show you some USDT platform, okay, which you can also jump to it and make money for yourself. Here is Global Gift TV. Talk how to make money and how to maximize money. We talk about different type of opportunity you can leverage on the internet. Okay, you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell notification button and turn on bell notification button so that YouTube can notify you anytime I post a new video. I'll be showing you two amazing platforms which you can join. Okay, the first one, which is called To Earn USDT.org. Okay, and they have different type of, it gives daily percentage, okay, from 4% to 5% daily in this platform. Okay, let's see how the platform works. First thing to do is that every day you just have to come here, click on this receive. You see I've already collected today, and you just have to come here. You see deposit here, click on this deposit. You click on this deposit now. Yes, you can deposit through your TRC20 or Ethereum or TRC20. You can deposit through any of these, and the minimum deposit is 1 USDT. It's 1 USDT, and the payment is going to automatically arrive in your account. After you have deposited, just remember to come here. You can claim it every day or not, because the profits will generate automatically. You don't need to be claiming anything every day. Okay, that is the beauty of this platform. Here you see the first one, which is the 4% to 12%. That is the one is free. Okay, it is free. The second one, which the amount you have to deposit is around like 3,000 USDT, but you can leverage on the first one, which is free. Deposit there and start make money from it. And you can also withdraw from this platform. Come to this where you see my here, click on this withdrawal. Make sure you have set your withdrawal payment address. Okay, now I have 6.9 USDT. I have 6.9 USDT already, which I can withdraw, and the charges fee is $1. Is $1. Okay, it is $1. And anytime you want to withdraw, you have to send verification code here. Simple as that. For new members who don't know how to register, I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, and remember, for every new members you'll be getting 50 USDT as a welcome bonus, but you can't withdraw it. Simple as that. You can't withdraw the 50 USDT. You can invite your friends. Just copy your referral links and share it to your friends. Yes, to register is very simple. The first thing is you're going to put your username here. You put your email, your password. After that, you click on this register and click on agree to add it to the email contact list. Okay, that being done, log into your account. Share it to your friends and your loved ones so that you can also make money from the platform. The second platform, which I will be talking about, the name of the second platform is New TRX. Okay, it's New TRX. This platform you can withdraw either with TRS or USDT. Let me press the withdraw and see how the platform pays. See, you can withdraw through your TRS or USDT. 129, 122 TRS. Okay, I have 122 TRS. Okay, let's place a withdraw now. Okay, 209 2927.793024. Okay, let's click on confirm. Let's wait for the payment to arrive. Okay, let's get back to our Trust Wallet account. Let's get to our Trust Wallet and see when the payment comes. Yes guys, yes, after some minutes the withdrawal has been approved and it has been paid to my wallet. Okay, I withdraw 207 TRX. Okay, the payment has arrived here. Boom, this is the payment of 207 TRX. You can also withdraw using USDT, but I withdraw using TRX. But this video is mainly for USDT, how you can earn in USDT, because you can also withdraw through USDT. Okay, on how the platform works, I want to register. It's very simple. You just have to put your email here, your login password, security pass. After that, you sign up your account. You have done with your registration. You log into your account, sign in to your account. Okay, this is how your account will look like. Okay, your account look like. Okay, this is how your account will look like. Yes, for new members that are just watching this video, this platform pays you from 10% to 40% daily. Pays you from 10% to 30% daily, and the minimum deposit is 15 TRX. You can deposit through TRX or USDT, and if you recharge 15 to 99 TRX, you'll be earning 10% daily. From 1000 TRX to 99,000 TRX, you're earning 11%. The last one, which is the 40%, which you have to start with the 500,000 TRX, 400,000 TRX to 1 million TRX or thereabout. Okay, you're earning 40%. You have that. You can also join. On how to deposit is very simple. Just click on this recharge here. Okay, you click on this recharge here, and you copy the address you see here. Okay, you copy the address. You can deposit either USDT or TRX. Okay, for this video you can deposit through USDT. For that, you click on this confirm. So you have deposited. Okay, click on confirm and you are good to go. You don't have to do anything in this platform. You don't have to do anything, just register. You can invite your friends and your loved ones. Okay, simple as that. To withdraw, the minimum withdraw, it is 5 TRX. The minimum withdraw. Okay, you don't have to do anything, you just have to register. Register, you want to register, and simple as that. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can also register your account. The next thing to know this platform is that you just have to, if you want to refer your friend, it's not compulsory, and registration is free. Just copy your referral link, copy it here, and share it to your friends. Okay, share it to your friends. Copy your referral link, copy it here. You can share it to your friends and your loved ones. Okay, you can share it to your friends and your loved ones. So these are the two platforms I think can pay you USDT now. make sure, I think these two platform I think can pay you USDT for now. Okay, in my next video I'll be doing some research about some USDT sites. Okay, make sure you stay tuned and watch some of my videos. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you in my next video.